Welcome back, everyone! Today is day 77 of our 100 Days of Python series, and we're going to tackle one of the most exciting topics in data engineering, data streaming and real-time processing. Specifically, we'll be working with Apache Kafka for data streaming and Spark streaming to process real-time data. Let's dive in. Before we get into the hands-on part, let's understand the concept of data streaming and why it's so important. Data streaming refers to the continuous, real-time transmission of data from various sources. This is crucial for scenarios where data is generated rapidly and must be processed instantly, such as stock market monitoring, social media feeds, or real-time analytics. In contrast to traditional batch processing, where data is collected and processed in chunks, real-time processing allows for immediate analysis and decision-making as data flows in. Now, let's talk about Apache Kafka. Kafka is an open-source, distributed event streaming platform. It's widely used for building real-time data pipelines and streaming applications. Kafka allows you to publish and subscribe to streams of records, much like a message queue system. Before we start, make sure you have Kafka installed and running on your local machine or server. You can download it from the official Apache Kafka website. Once Kafka is installed, start the Zookeeper and Kafka servers. Use the following commands in your terminal. Kafka streams data into topics, which are essentially data feeds. Let's create a new topic for our streaming data. Now that our Kafka server is running and we have a topic set up, let's move on to Spark streaming. Spark streaming allows us to process real-time data streams using the Spark framework. First, you need to create a Spark streaming context. Make sure you have PySpark installed. Next, let's write some Python code to process our streaming data from Kafka using Spark streaming. Now, let's run the script. It will connect to Kafka and start streaming data from the test topic. You'll see the data being printed in real time. And that's it for today. In this tutorial, we've set up Kafka for data streaming and processed real-time data using Spark streaming. Data streaming is essential in modern data engineering, and tools like Kafka and Spark make it easier than ever to handle real-time data at scale. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you tomorrow for day 78, where we'll continue to explore the world of data engineering and Python.